Hello my learners, my name is Teacher Jonathan and welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. In our lesson for today, Grade 4 Mathematics, today we are working on geometry, position and direction, and today we'll be making a quarter turn. But before we make that a quarter turn, I would like to ask a question. How do we change position? How do we change your position? How do you change your position? And for more on this, join me, and I would like to request a question or ask a question for you. In our previous lesson, we learned how to make a clockwise turn and anti-clockwise turn, and we said a clockwise turn, it is turn towards the right, while anti-clockwise turn is a turn towards the left. And we tried. Now, in my position as I am standing, if I want to turn clockwise, I'll just turn this side because I'm turning clockwise. If I want to go anti-clockwise, it means now I'll go this side because this is now anti-clockwise. That is what we said. Now, in our groups, can we observe this clock face? In our clock face today, we want to make a quarter turn. Remember, in our previous classes, we learned what is a quarter, what is a half, what is full, and 3/4. And today we want to make a quarter turn. And a quarter turn, we are turning clockwise, but we make a quarter turn. So we'll still move the minute hand a quarter turn clockwise. So the minute hand will turn clockwise in a quarter, make a quarter turn, and that is a quarter. Remember, this is the quarter from our clock, this is a half from our clock, this is the 3/4, and this is full. So we have just moved a quarter turn. If it's to make a quarter turn anti-clockwise, it means now we'll move this up to there. This is now a quarter turn that we have made. This is now a quarter turn. We have gone this way, a quarter turn. If we were to go the other side, we'll go the other side, a quarter turn. We have moved from here all the way here to make a quarter turn. Now, let us observe this circle I've drawn on our board. Now, imagine this is our clock and we want to show it. We were at that position. If we want to go clockwise a quarter turn, it means we'll go this way and we'll go until we are where? We are here. This is where our quarter turn will come up to. So if it's to move, we'll move all the way until here. That is our quarter turn that we will have made. From here all the way up to here. That is their quarter turn. Now, I would like us also, we try making quarter turns. Now, in my position, everybody in our group, can you stand up? Now, in this position, you are facing me like this, so you are like this, and me, I'm facing you. Now, I want us to make clockwise a quarter turn. Now, if I'm like this, I have to move to my right, that is the clockwise. Going to the left is the anti-clockwise. So, to my right, move a quarter turn. So, my quarter turn will move until I face this side. So, let me face you now. If I want to move clockwise, remember, I have to follow my right. So, my quarter turn will move up to here. This is my quarter turn. Can we all make that quarter turn? From here, from the position you are, let us all make quarter turn. Clockwise quarter turn. That is our quarter turn. If we were to make a quarter turn and clockwise from where we are standing, it means now we have to go back to the position that we were earlier. That is a quarter turn. Now, can we try to open the door a quarter way? Open the door a quarter turn in your groups. Try to open the door a quarter turn in your groups. Then you close it. As you are closing, close it a quarter turn. You will find that a quarter turn you've opened, it is the same a quarter turn you are closing. So a quarter turn to the clockwise is opening, a quarter turn to the anti-clockwise is closing. Those are the two main key things that we have mentioned. A quarter turn to the left. This one was clockwise. This side was clockwise. This is clockwise. So we have made a quarter turn. But I have to write it a quarter turn. Now, if I want to move from here, if I want to move from my starting point, this side, anti-clockwise, it means now I have to move up to somewhere here. Coming this is anti-clockwise, turn up to here. So that will be my quarter turn. Anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. That is my anti-clockwise quarter turn. My anti-clockwise quarter turn, my clockwise quarter turn. Learners, it's easy like that. Sometimes you are at home. You don't want to open the door completely. You just open a little. That a little, it might be a quarter way. It may be halfway. Sometimes you have your bottle. For example, today I have my bottle with me. And this bottle, if I want to open it completely, it means I will open it anti-clockwise until I remove the lid. If I want to close it clockwise, I'll just do it. But you can also make a quarter turn. You just move one time. You just close it again because you are rotating the ball, the lid. We are rotating the lid. The same case applies to our door. If you are to open the door completely, it will just open. But just a quarter, it means you'll open a little, then you close a little. Those are the turns that we have made today. A quarter turn, and it can either be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Remember, these turns help us a lot. Help us a lot. Kindly learners, learn them because they are very vital in our lessons. Just the turning from one point to another. That is a quarter clockwise that we have made using our clock face. Now, my task for today. My task for today is stand to any direction in the field. You will go to the field, stand in any direction. That is the task. Stand in any direction, and this you will do it in pairs. Stand in any direction, and now with the help of your partner, make turns, quarter turns, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. This will be done during either when you go to break or lunch time. Make sure you observe these turns. Clockwise, make a quarter turn. Anti-clockwise, make a quarter turn. And when you are making a quarter turn, there is something you have to note. I did not move from where I was standing. I did not move this way, then I turn. No. Or I didn't move this way, then I turn. No. From where I was standing, I just made a turn from there. My legs are at the same place. I've not moved them, but I'm turning from where I was. So observe this, make these turns. Remember to do so when you go home. Open the door. You will find that as you open the door, one part of the door is not moving, so the other one is moving quarter way, and you close it. The window, the same. The doors of the fridge, to the bathroom, the closet, you can try as many things that you have. You have so many things at your home. You can open them quarter way. You can make a turn of a quarter way of the things that are found in your home. Let us meet again in the next lesson.